Throughout 2022, we at Agri-EPI have been pioneering precision agri-tech. We're fostering collaboration with our partners and farm network with funding from Innovate UK to develop a smarter, more secure food supply chain. At our on-farm annual conference, we brought different industries together to discuss the future of sustainable farming and showcased new innovations to support the future of British and global farming. In Oxfordshire, we're using drones to develop a shareable digital infrastructure of vineyards to predict harvests and integrate with other developers. Robots like Antibots Assist navigate with this data, efficiently transporting grapes with less soil compaction. In the Scottish Borders, we're testing Krover's world-first grain swimming robot to detect temperature and moisture levels on farms. This allows farmers to prevent waste at a time where grain is in global short supply. In Fife, we're working with partners on SmartView, an augmented reality display for farmers and vets, which automatically recognises individual cows, allowing faster, centralised data logging and retrieval of health records and statistics. Across the UK, our beef and dairy farmers are working with SmartBell to develop smart ear tags for calves and heifers. These collect lifelong health data and ping farmers with early warning signs. We invited members to Godminster Farm in Somerset to see firsthand how these and other projects are progressing. In Shropshire, we welcome farmers to see how new self-driving technology can be implemented on their existing farm appliances like topping, drilling, and harvesting. All of these projects are supported by our agri-tech innovation hubs, including our Northern Hub near Edinburgh, our Midlands Hub in Newport, our new hub in Cranfield, and our new Marine Aquaculture Innovation Centre in Western Scotland. Join our on-farm days across the UK where we foster collaboration with farmers and developers of these and other precision agri-tech projects.
We make sure that the projects that we're developing, the technology, the protocols are actually fit for use and are economically sustainable on a commercial farm. We really work personally, like us to them, and have meetings with them and help them to achieve their sustainability goals. Part of the work that we're doing is just to improve the efficiency, profitability, sustainability of farming in the UK. But part of it is also to bolster the amazing innovation and fantastic mindsets there is amongst the UK farmers.
Together, we can do even more next year.